Hello guys, today is a very special video. This is unboxing and review about a watch which is from J Axis. This is a Japanese watch which actually I had brought for my wife as a gift in 2013 December. Yes, absolutely before 12 years. From then, my wife hasn't worn this till now. It was kept aside due to various reasons, and recently, this week, I got battery replaced for this, and it's absolutely working fine. So, let's just unbox this and check what it is. A 12 years old watch. Okay, it comes with a different box, and yes, it's a very simple box with the sponge. Let's say in many of the watch boxes we get this pillow similar to that. This sponge has been pasted very efficient way, and this, sorry for this is very old. Since it's 12 years old, probably some cockroaches have been inside the box and it has made some nonsense. I still have this bill. Let us see. Yes, it says 2013 December 21st. I had got this for around 2079 yen. At that point of time, it was maybe around 1200 rupees in INR worth, and it had some discount coupons or something. But yes, that's it for this, and we will come to the watch itself. Wow, it's a very nice creative artistic watch which looks like a vintage model with some very good creative numerals. Yeah, and you can see that the watch dial is black with J axis mentioned. Hour minutes and seconds watch all in gold. It has a black bezel around it with some markings. Yeah, I mean it's a combination of let's say chronograph type. It's a golden case. Still, even after 12 years, no hints of any sorts of, let's say, damage or rusting, I would say. It is mineral glass. You can see the dial and the numbers are with different colors: blue, pink, orange, purple, and the outer case is like a chronograph type. The belt strap itself is a silicone. See this, guys. I still wonder. Okay, there is some hints of, I don't know, maybe it is just changing the color because of the extension, but believe me, guys, even after 12 years, the silicone belt, see the buckle, guys. Yeah, finished in gold. I'll just open up the strap. Okay, good. Very soft silicone rubber, still working fine. There are some hints of, as I told you, the cockroaches have been inside the box, and that's it. But as considered, I mean, as seen here, they still The silicone is very soft and usable for even for years. Very nice looking watch. On the back, as you can see, still I haven't even removed the sticker. It's a stainless steel bag, J-axis, sun flame, and the model name. Assembled in China, Japan moment. Yeah, I don't know what moment it is, but you can see, guys. I don't know whether it's a steel case or bronze case, but I cannot see even a small hint of rusting anywhere around, and still it has a superb glossy finish around the case. So even though it's assembled in China, it's a Japanese watch, very good quality, J-axis. And even after 12 years, just the replacement of battery, it's working superb. That's it for today, guys. Thanks and good day. Yeah, by the the model name is mentioned here. Probably even these watches are available online, but not available in India. I could see this somewhere else in Japanese websites and other out of country websites. Yeah, AL1182. That's it for today. Good day.